Compliance for electronics imports. Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will be discussing ISF 10+2 compliance for importers of electronics. As customs brokers, we understand the unique considerations and compliance requirements involved in importing electronics. Join us as we explore the importance of ISF 10+2 compliance, strategies to navigate the customs requirements, and streamline the importer security filing process for electronics imports. Understanding ISF 10+2 compliance. ISF 10+2 is a mandatory requirement by the U.S. Customs and Border Protection (CBP) for importers of electronics and other goods. It involves the submission of 10 data elements by importers and 2 data elements by carriers before the goods are loaded onto a vessel bound for the United States. Importance of ISF 10+2 compliance. Complying with ISF 10+2 is crucial for importers of electronics to ensure a smooth customs clearance process. Compliance helps expedite the flow of goods, avoids delays, and minimizes the risk of penalties or additional customs scrutiny. Timely and accurate data submission. Timely submission of accurate data is essential for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers of electronics must provide complete and precise information regarding their shipments, including details such as bill of lading numbers, container numbers, and supplier information. Proper classification of electronics. Proper classification of electronics is vital for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers must accurately classify their electronics products using the appropriate Harmonized System (HS) codes and provide precise descriptions to ensure compliance. Compliance with labeling and packaging requirements. Adhering to labeling and packaging requirements is important for ISF 10+2 compliance for electronics imports. Importers should ensure that packaging and labeling comply with relevant regulations, including safety certifications, country of origin labels, or product specifications. Collaboration with suppliers and carriers. Effective collaboration with suppliers and carriers is essential for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers should coordinate closely with their suppliers and carriers to obtain accurate shipment data and ensure timely submission of ISF filings. Automation and technology solutions. Leveraging automation and technology solutions can streamline the ISF 10+2 process for electronics importers. Implementing customs management software or electronic data interchange (EDI) systems improves accuracy, automates validations, and ensures timely submission. Compliance with additional regulatory requirements. Importers of electronics must also comply with additional regulatory requirements specific to their products. This may include safety certifications, environmental regulations, or restrictions on certain electronic components. Ensuring overall compliance reduces the risk of delays or non-compliance issues. Regular compliance audits and internal reviews. Conducting regular compliance audits and internal reviews helps importers identify any gaps or areas for improvement in their ISF 10+2 processes. This allows for ongoing refinement of compliance practices and reduces the risk of errors or non-compliance. Addressing intellectual property rights. Addressing intellectual property rights (IPR) concerns is crucial for ISF 10+2 compliance in the electronics industry. Importers should ensure that their electronics products do not infringe on trademarks, patents, or copyrights to avoid legal issues. Effective communication with customs brokers. Clear and efficient communication with customs brokers specialized in electronics is essential to facilitate ISF 10+2 compliance. Customs brokers possess expertise in customs regulations, documentation requirements, and compliance strategies, supporting importers in meeting their obligations. Compliance reporting and documentation. Maintaining accurate compliance reports and documentation is crucial for electronics importers. Proper record-keeping of ISF submissions, correspondence with customs authorities, and relevant shipment documentation ensures ongoing compliance monitoring and supports audit traceability. Monitor regulatory changes. Staying updated with regulatory changes related to electronics is essential for ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers should monitor changes in customs regulations, safety standards, or specific requirements for electronic products to adapt their processes accordingly. Collaboration with industry associations. Engaging with industry associations relevant to the electronics industry provides importers with valuable resources and networking opportunities. Associations offer insights into best practices, regulatory updates, and compliance strategies specific to electronics imports. Continuous improvement and process evaluation. Importers should continuously evaluate their ISF 10+2 processes for electronics imports. Regular process evaluations, risk assessments, and internal audits help identify areas for improvement, maintain compliance efficiency, and reduce compliance-related risks. Training and education for staff. Providing training and education to staff involved in the ISF 10+2 process enhances compliance efforts. Importers should ensure that their staff understands customs regulations, documentation requirements, and the importance of accurate data submission. Utilizing risk management measures. Implementing risk management measures helps electronics importers address potential compliance issues. This includes conducting due diligence on suppliers, verifying product certifications, and aligning with safety and quality standards. Effective supply chain management. Efficient supply chain management plays a crucial role in ISF 10+2 compliance for electronics imports. Importers should collaborate with suppliers, carriers, and customs brokers to establish transparent communication channels and ensure accurate data exchange. Compliance culture and ethical standards. Creating a compliance culture and emphasizing ethical standards within the organization promotes ISF 10+2 compliance. Importers should prioritize compliance and instill a commitment to integrity and adherence to customs regulations throughout their operations. Thank you for joining us as we discussed ISF 10+2 compliance for importers of electronics. Compliance with ISF 10+2 ensures efficient customs clearance and supports smooth import operations. By implementing strategies such as proper data submission, collaboration with stakeholders, and ongoing process evaluation, importers can navigate the ISF 10+2 process successfully. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more informative videos on customs brokerage, customs bonds, and international trade. Stay tuned for our upcoming videos. Thank you, and see you next time.